Hi everybody, it's a nice day. Today I will introduce our rich piece quilt roll packing machine and I will show you how it works. Follow me.
Considering the different hardness of the quilt, the too soft quilt may not directly enter the rolling position. So this movable head is better solve the problem. If the quilt is not rolled up to the end, it can be operated through the green button on the touch screen. Of course, with package in batches, you can set the appropriate parameters through the touch screen in advance. Now, let's take a look about the whole process from another view.
If you are interested with this machine, contact me.